Hello and welcome back. Today we are drawing a monkey. M for monkey. Let's start with the face. That's one. And same we'll repeat again. And now big circle joining them. Draw this oval shape really slowly. Carefully join it on the other end. Now we'll draw the outside border of the face. Inside is done. One. And now we'll complete the curve all the way. Take it slow. And now same, again we'll join it. Draw around the face that we just drew. Now let's draw the eyes. Circle inside and fill the remaining. Done. Same for the other eye. Fill up the remaining one. That's good. These are two eyes. Let's draw a nose. A rainbow shape. Like this. And two small dots. One, two. Now to make the laugh, a straight line. And then another half a circle. And we can draw a tongue as well, another circle. Now draw two eyebrows. One, two. Now time to draw the ears. Big ears. Same on the other side. Just draw a same curve like this and like this. This is your monkey. Excellent work. Now how do we draw the letter M? We start with a standing line. One, another standing line. Two, and then two slant lines joining them from the top. So 1 and 2. This is the letter M. M is for monkey. Excellent work. See you in the next one.